Ever get lost in a large hospital? Then you understand that the quality and accuracy of the signage plays a big part in the experience of your patients, visitors, and practitioners. Meet Jen. Jen is responsible for thousands of signs in a large, multi-campus hospital. The signs in her buildings need regular maintenance and updates. Jen just learned that 3 of her departments will be switching floors. And guess what that means? That's right, lots of signs to change. It's complicated, and to make things worse, Jen heard that the hospital is rebranding. Most of the signs in her buildings will need to be replaced. Any of this sound familiar? Is your team still trying to manage thousands of signs with a clipboard, camera, spreadsheets, and printed location plans? How are you keeping track of sign design firms, fabricators, and installers? Are you being kept in the loop with accurate budgets, punch lists or defect reports, timelines, and reviews? How about supporting your foundation with an up-to-date donor wall? How long is all of this taking you? And what's the cost? At SignAgent, we understand your pain and we're here to help. SignAgent enables some of the world's largest healthcare facilities to streamline and simplify painstaking and error-prone processes. Our cloud-based wayfinding and sign asset management software lets you take complete control of even the most complicated sign projects and wayfinding systems. With our mobile app, you'll complete an initial audit of your existing signs within days instead of weeks. Every sign will be at your fingertips, including message, design, hardware, and status, all mapped to your location plans. Plus, you'll be able to share information with designers, installers, and fabricators on every aspect of your projects. With SignAgent, you won't just get signage and wayfinding projects done faster. You'll also enhance your patient and visitor experience and protect your brand reputation. Manage your signs. Don't let them manage you. There is a better way. Sign up today for a demo and a free trial and begin your journey to better wayfinding and sign management.